In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful bookmarks using Canva, an easy-to-use online design tool. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to craft personalized and striking bookmarks that you can use for yourself or give as thoughtful gifts to fellow book lovers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva homepage. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and navigate to Canva. Once you're on the home page, you'll find yourself immersed in a colorful array of templates and design possibilities. This is the hub where all your creative projects begin. Whether you're just a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva offers a user-friendly interface that caters to all skill levels. Now, to start your bookmark design, look for the Create button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this button, and in the search bar that appears, type in Bookmarks. This action will pull up a variety of bookmark templates, each perfectly sized and ready for your creative touch. You'll be presented with a plethora of options, from simple and standard bookmarks to more quirky and aesthetic designs. Take your time to browse through the selection. Whether you prefer something minimalist with just a dash of color or a more intricate design filled with inspiring quotes, Canva has got you covered. Once you've selected your desired style, click on it to open up the design editor. Here's where the real fun begins. Canva's editor is incredibly intuitive. You can customize colors, add text, insert images, and explore various fonts to make your bookmark truly personal. If you have a favorite quote or an image that inspires you, now is the perfect time to incorporate it into your design. Canva also provides a library of elements, such as shapes and icons, that can be used to enhance your bookmark even further. After you're satisfied with your design, review all the details to ensure everything looks just the way you envisioned. If you're happy with the outcome, you're ready for the next step. Now simply click on the Download button at the top of the page. You'll be given numerous file format options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once your download is complete, you're all set to print and enjoy your new bookmarks. And there you have it. Creating beautiful bookmarks with Canva is as easy as that. Feel free to experiment with different designs and styles to unleash your creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it encourages you to dive into the wonderful world of design. Thank you for watching and happy designing.